In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enhance Notion. To get started, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to the page called Cozy Planner. This is the main hub you will use, and it is a good example of how a clean layout makes a workspace feel easier to use. Once the page loads, click on Cozy Planner to fully open it and make sure you are on the correct dashboard. Now move into the weekly planning area by clicking on My Week at a Glance. This view is designed to help you scan your week quickly, and it is a great place to apply a few simple enhancement ideas while keeping everything functional. One helpful tip is to keep the page visually calm by hiding extra clutter. For example, you can rely on toggles to tuck away long sections, and you can keep database headers minimal so the page feels focused. Next, click on Monday. Opening a single day like this is useful because it lets you concentrate on only what matters for that day instead of looking at the entire week at once. If you use databases inside your planner, this is also where relations can help, because tasks connected to a project can automatically show only the relevant items for that day. When you finish reviewing Monday, click on Tuesday to switch to the next day and keep the same rhythm. Consistency like this is where Notion starts to feel faster and more organized. After you have checked Tuesday, click on Daily Comfort Rituals. This section is a great candidate for synced blocks, especially if you want the same checklist or header to appear in multiple places and always stay updated. It is also a good place to use templates, so recurring routines keep the same structure each time you revisit them. Finally, click on Stuff to get done. This area works best when it is easy to scan. Gallery views can make items feel more visual, and simple dividers can separate groups of information so the page does not feel overwhelming. If you want to speed things up even more, buttons can help automate repeated setup, and built-in Notion AI can assist with drafting or summarizing text when you need it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.